So, how I'm feeling today, I'm feeling grateful. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling tired. I gotta go to the baño. I gotta take a dump, bruh. I drank some iced coffee today. Starbucks iced coffee. It's nasty. I wasted $4.55 on this stupid ass iced coffee that was disgusting. And I threw it away pretty much. I could have just gotten McDonald's. But no, my dumb ass wanted some Starbucks coffee. We'll see how it goes. Alright. But yeah. So I'm heading back home right now. Hopefully I find parking because I really don't want to drive around. I don't want to BS, right? So I just want to go home, chill, get start studying for my other final. Let's see how that goes. Yeah. Floor it, floor it, floor it. So I'm super nervous. So when I start my hurry up, motherfucker, because I'm going there too. Is that a guy? Oh shit, that is a guy. What the fuck? Where it is?